Searching for a good beauty blender dupe feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every sponge looks the same, says the same thing about being soft and non-absorbent, and has nearly identical product photos. But here's the thing, just because they look alike doesn't mean they perform alike. Some blend like a dream, others fall apart after 2 washes. Let's cut through the noise and find the real winners.
Product number 1, Beaky 5-pack microporous sponges. First up is the Beaky 5-pack microporous sponges, a budget-friendly option at just $7.57 that's already been bought by over 10,000 people in the last month. What caught my eye was the claim of marshmallow-like softness and low absorption, which is exactly what you want if you're tired of your foundation disappearing into your sponge. If you want a latex-free, vegan-friendly sponge that gives you flawless coverage without wasting product, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The microporous structure means it soaks up less foundation, so more of your makeup stays on your face, not in the sponge. The teardrop shape lets you tackle both broad areas like your cheeks and tricky spots like under your eyes or around your nose. And since it rebounds quickly after squeezing, you're not left with a deformed sponge mid-routine. With over 10,000 recent purchases, it's clear people are relying on these for daily use. Now, some people complained that the sponges can start to fray after a few washes, especially if you're rough with them. Here's the thing though, for $7.57, you're getting 5 sponges. Even if one wears out faster, you've got backups ready to go. It's not meant to last forever, but it doesn't need to when you can replace it so cheaply. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a smooth, airbrushed finish. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra-long durability or prefer a single high-end sponge. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 2, BS Small 14-piece triangle puff set. Now, if the Beaky set felt a bit basic, this next one takes a completely different approach. The BS Small 14-piece triangle puff set for $9.59. What stands out immediately is the variety. 7 sponges plus mini sponges and triangle puffs, all in a sleek gradient purple case. If you want maximum versatility for different makeup textures and face zones, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The triangle puffs are perfect for setting powder in hard-to-reach areas like under the eyes or around the nose, something round sponges struggle with. The mini sponges are ideal for concealer touch-ups or travel. And because they expand when wet and blend without absorbing too much product, you're getting even coverage with less waste. The included case keeps everything clean and portable, which is huge if you're always on the go. Now, some people complained that the case feels a little flimsy, and the sponges don't always sit snugly inside. Here's the thing though, for under $10, you're getting 14 tools in one set. The functionality far outweighs the packaging flaws. Just keep it in a drawer instead of tossing it in a crowded makeup bag. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different textures, liquid, cream, powder, and want tools for every step. Skip this one if you prefer minimalism or only use one type of product. For the variety and price, it's a no-brainer.
Product number 3, BS Small 7-piece pink set with case. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for daily use. The BS Small 7-piece pink set for just $6.47. It's similar to the 14-piece version, but more compact, with 7 sponges and a cute pink gradient case. If you want a no-fuss, travel-ready set that still delivers pro-level blending, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The smaller size means it's easier to store and carry, but you're still getting multiple shapes, including a mini sponge for precision work. The sponges expand nicely when wet, giving that bouncy, springy feel that blends foundation like a dream. And because they're designed to minimize absorption, you're not losing half your foundation to the sponge. Over 9,000 people bought this in the past month, and it's easy to see why. Now, some people said the pink dye can transfer slightly when the sponge is wet. Nothing major, but it's noticeable if you're using a white towel. Here's the thing though, this only happens with the colored versions, and it doesn't affect performance at all. Just use a dark towel or let it dry first. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of quality, portability, and affordability. Skip this one if you're ultra sensitive to dye transfer or need more than 7 sponges. At under $7, it's one of the best value sets out there.
Product number 4, Colavia 14 PCS Multi-Shape Sponge Set. Now, if you're someone who uses both liquid and powder products and wants tools for every step, the Colavia 14 PCS set for $6.31 might be your holy grail. It includes mini sponges, triangle puffs, and full-size blenders, all latex-free and stored in a hard plastic jar. If you want a complete kit that handles every makeup texture without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The variety means you can use the right tool for the right job. Triangle puffs for setting powder, mini sponges for concealer, and large blenders for foundation. The sponges work wet or dry. Wet for a dewy, blended look, dry to blot away shine. And because they're low absorption, your makeup stays where it should, on your face. With 6,000 plus recent buyers, it's clearly resonating with budget-conscious beauty lovers. Now, some people complain that the jar is bulky and not very travel-friendly. Here's the thing though, it's meant to be a vanity staple, not a grab-and-go kit. If you keep it at home, the size isn't an issue, and the protection it offers is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're building a full makeup toolkit on a budget. Skip this one if you need something compact for travel. For under $7, you're getting incredible variety and function.
Product number 5, Beaky 6-pack Pink Soft Sponges for $7.57. This one's a favorite among users who want that airbrushed finish without the high price tag. If you want soft, durable sponges that blend like a dream and last through multiple washes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ultra-soft, latex-free foam feels gentle on sensitive skin and blends liquid and cream products seamlessly. The dual-function teardrop design lets you contour with the tip and blend large areas with the base. Plus, the high-resilience foam holds its shape even after repeated washing, something many cheap sponges fail at. With 5,000 plus recent purchases, it's clear people trust this for daily wear. Now, some people said the pink color can stain slightly with darker foundations. Here's the thing though, this doesn't affect performance, and a quick wash usually fixes it. Just don't let makeup sit in it too long. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, everyday sponge that feels luxe but costs less than a coffee. Skip this one if you're using very pigmented or staining products regularly. For the quality and price, it's a standout.
So, which one should you grab? If you want variety, go for the BS Mall 14-piece or Colavia set. Need something compact and travel-friendly? The BS Mall 7-piece pink set is your best bet. Want softness and durability? The Beaky 6-pack delivers. And if you're on a tight budget but still want performance, the Beaky 5-pack or Colavia set won't let you down. All of these are under $10, and honestly, they outperform the real thing in value. Drop your favorite dupe in the comments. I'd love to hear what's working for you.